How to sign in Booking.com account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to sign in into Booking.com account. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch any web browser. Navigate to search bar, type in Booking.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will land on the official interface of Booking.com where you can click on the sign in button at top right corner of your screen. So you will reach on sign in or create an account. In case if you haven't created an account, you can easily register into booking.com. So on the sign in page, you can sign in with email address or you can use one of the options given below, that is Google, Apple ID or Facebook. You can enter your email address if you wish and click on continue with email. Enter the password and follow the prompts and sign in to booking.com. That's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like and comment. Thank you for watching.